Attention students! Are you ready to prepare for your future career? The Careers Office at CUT is here to help you succeed. We offer expert training and workshops on job search techniques, CV writing and interview skills. You can also join our Employability skills course and LinkedIn 101 sessions to build a professional online profile. Need practice before the big interview? We provide mock interviews, Skype etiquette training, and even video montage practice. Plus, you'll have access to industry-specific graduate recruitment events, company presentations, and our careers library, filled with CV and cover letter templates. We also connect graduates to recruiters through our CV database and job adverts on notice boards. And don't forget to tune into our weekly radio show on CUT 105.8 FM for career tips and updates. Our services include interview venues for recruitment, lecture halls for presentations, professional interview recordings, and pre-screening of candidates to help you stand out. Take the next step toward your future today. Visit the Careers Office and unlock opportunities that work for you.